Hi, welcome back to Kottayat channel. In this video, we are going to explore one of the important data visualization Python library called Matplotlib library. This Matplotlib library Python library is built on Numpy arrays and designed to work with the SciPy stack. Matplotlib Python library is written some parts in Python, C and JavaScript for its platform compatibility. It was introduced by the John Hunter in the year of 2002. One of the greatest benefits of the data visualization is that we can get the pulse of the huge data points at a single glance. By using the Matplotlib Python library, we will be drawing the line charts, bar charts, pie charts, histogram charts, and box plots. In this tutorial, we will be exploring from basic charts to cool functionalities in the Matplotlib Python library. Okay, now let's first install the necessary Python libraries. Okay, I'm opening the command prompt. Okay, let's type in pip install numpy, which is required for the data feed, and another one is Matplotlib Python library. And Matplotlib Python library is the main Python library to draw the charts here. Okay, if you press this command, I think these two Python libraries will be installed in your system. I have already installed these Python libraries in my system, so I'm not going to install them again here. Okay, now let me import the necessary Python libraries. Import numpy as np and import matplot library, the main library. In this library, we are going to use the pyplot module, okay, in a short form as plt. Okay, this pyplot will be having the necessary functionalities to draw all the charts in this tutorial. Okay, now let's plt.plot. Okay, this is the one. The plot is in the sense plt.plot. It plots the graph. Okay, and to show that graph, we have to mention the plt.show. Okay, and let me save it and let me execute it. Now you could be able to see a graph, a dummy graph. Okay, I would call it as an empty graph. Okay, so there is no lines and nothing but. Okay, now to draw the lines in this graph, okay, so we have to give the data to this plot. Okay, let's take some data points. X is equals to 10, 20, 30 and 60. Okay, oh sorry, 10, 20, 30, 50, 60 and 70. Okay, we have taken some data points. I'm passing those data points X. Okay, and now I'm executing it. Now you'll be able to see a line, okay, from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Okay, these are the values are there, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 with the 5 lines. Starting with the 0, first line is 10 and second one is 20 and 30 and 50 and the final one is 60 and 70. Okay, now you have drawn a line chart. Okay, now we have done a line chart, right, with these data points. Now you are not able to see the data points clearly, right? Okay, to make sure that, okay, to visible those data points, we can change this marker. By default it will be a dot. You can change it to star or any other colors, okay, or any other data points. Okay, by default it will be a, you will not be able to see specifically, but if you mention marker as star, you could be able to see the data points has been changed to stars. Okay, first one is 10 and second one is 20. Here is the data, and 30, and next one is 50, and next one is 60, and next one is 70. You can change this markdown to this symbol if you want to draw. In place of asterisk, you can draw with the triangles. See, it has been changed to the triangles now. The data points has been changed from asterisk to triangles. Okay, and if you want a square shape, you can mention it as S. Okay, it will draw a square shape. See, squares. The data points are being now square, and you can change to P for pentagon. Okay, see, now the data points has been changed to pentagon. You can change it to hexagon with H. Okay, see, now the data points has been changed to hexagon. Okay, this is what we can do with the marker. And next one, what we are going to do is the color. By default it is showing it as a blue color, right? Now let's change it to red color with the first R. Color is equals to R. Now the line has been changed, the color of the line has been changed from blue to red, and you can specify any color. and you can change it to green, blue, yellow, green, orange, black, any color, gray, hot pink, whatever you want. Okay, now it is green, and let me change it to hot pink. See, now the color of the line has been changed from to hot pink. Okay, and now what are the options that we have seen? We have seen the marker, and we have seen the marker will be used to change the data points visibility. Okay, you can have it in squares, triangles, asterisk, or any other symbols. And next one is the color of the line, and next one is the line style. Okay, we can have the multiple line styles, and by default it will be a hyphen. Okay, straight line. Okay, as you guys have seen, now it is a straight line. Now if it is hyphen, it is a straight line. If you want to change it to dashed line, we can have one more hyphen. Okay, now the line style has been changed from hyphen to dashed line. See here, the line of the line style has been changed from continuous line to dashed line now. Okay, or you can change it to dotted line by giving the colon. Okay, line style has been changed to colon. Now the line will change from dashed line to dotted line. See here, you could see the differences, right? You can change it to dotted line, and you can use the combination of dashed line versus dotted line by giving the hyphen and dot. Now the line style will change with the combination of dashed and dotted. See, dash, dotted, dash, dotted, dash, dotted. Okay, this is what we can do. So the first option is marker, and second option is color, and third option is line style. Okay, and we can merge all these things with, we can change this instead of mentioning in each and everything specifically, we can change it in a single quote. Okay, and you have to give the first character as a line color. Okay, which is green. I'm changing it now, green, and next one will be the shape of the data point. If you want to give, I want to give it as a square, so I'm just changing it to yes. And if you want to change the what is should be the line color, line style, so line style I'm going to give it as a dashed line. Okay, green color line with the square as the data points and dashed line, that's what we are expecting. Okay, see, that's what we are getting, squares as a data points and dashed line in green color. Okay, or you can change it to red and pentagon P, and you can have a dotted line. Okay, the first character says the color of the line, and second character says the data point view, and third one says the line style. Okay, that's what we can do, or we can specify individually as well. Okay, color is equals to whatever the color you want, and line style whatever the line style you want, and whatever the data points that you want. Okay, you can do that as well. And the next one is width of the line. By default it will be 1. Okay, if I give 1, there will be no change. Okay, instead of dotted line I'll change it to continuous line hyphen. Okay, by default it will be 1, and you can change it to line width to 4. Okay, the thickness of the line will increase now. Okay, see, now the thickness of the line has been increased. You can give by using the line width. Okay, I'm just giving by default it as 1, F5. Yeah, now we have drawn one line chart with the red color by using the points of this X data points. Now if I want to draw another line in the same graph, what I have to do? So what you have to do is you have to mention another data set like 20, 40, 30 and 80 and 100. Okay, this is what if you want to do. Add one more line, plot of y, and I want it to be a green color and with a square shape and dashed line. Okay, and line width is equals to same line width. Okay, now let's see, we'll be able to see the two lines, one for the X and one for the green. Okay, let me change this value, okay, to 60. No, not 60, 45. I don't want any overlap between X and Y. Oh, close this one. Now you could be able to see the two data lines. Okay, the red one is for the X and this one is for the Y. Okay, green color line is for Y and red one is for the G. Okay, you can have that with the option of dot label, I guess. Okay, label will show the which is the data point for which one. Okay, sorry, not label, it should be legend. Okay, legend is not shown. You can have this legend as x comma y. Okay, instead of that, let me have like this. Okay, characters we have to give, right? X y. Okay, if you see here, now you could see a legend. Okay, the red color says the x value data set, and y color shows the, and y shows the data set of the y. Okay, here x shows the x data set line and y shows the y data set line. Okay, and you can change the position of this legend as well. Okay, now here it is in the upper right corner, right? You can change it to left as well. Okay, how can we do that? Is location is equals to upper left. Okay, see here it has been changed from upper right to upper left. Okay, or you can have it in the bottom as well. Okay, here as well. If it is there, and lower right, you can change the position of this lesson as well. See here, it has been changed to from here to here. Okay, now I want to give a title. Okay, title to our graph, which is line chart in Matplotlib. Line chart in Matplotlib. Okay, we can give the title as well for this chart. You'll be able to sit in the top. See here, line chart in Matplotlib. Okay, and here also you can change this alignment. You can change it to left side, you can change it to right side, and you can change it to have it in the center as well. For this one also, location you can have it. Okay, you can have that option, and you can try it yourself. And now we have plot, title, legend. Now we can have the x-axis name as well. Plot x label. Numbers, and I want to have the plot dot y label as values. Okay, one is numbers and another one is values. Okay, see, now you could see that numbers as an x-axis label and y-axis has been label has been, it was nothing earlier, it has been changed to values. If you see here, this font size is showing a little bit low, I guess, right? For this entire chart, the font size is showing it as a less. You can increase that font size for title as well with the font size option by giving explicitly 20. Okay, and let me copy it and paste it for this one and this one. Okay, now let me say it, yeah, in a bigger font. See, bigger font size, line chart in Matplotlib, values, numbers, x and y. Okay, so this is how you guys can draw the line charts in the Matplotlib Python library with the different options. Okay, one of the options that you can give is the line of the color and the data point shape, and you can have the line style, and you can change the width of the line as well, and you can have the title, legend, and x label and y label. All these options are common for remaining charts as well, but only for the line chart, this we have to use the plot. Okay, now let's draw some bar charts. X, we can have the popularity of the languages, Python, C, and C++, Java, and what else, SQL. Okay, and y has values 50, 30, 50, 30, 20, 10, and 40. Okay, can have this plt dot. Here we have to change, instead of plot for the line charts, for the bar charts we have to use the bar. Okay, bar x comma y, we have to pass, and plot dot show. Okay, now let me execute it. You will be able to see a bar chart. See, Python, C, C++, Java and SQL. Okay. Now you could be able to draw the bar chart. Now I want to change the color to green. Okay. If you give the color in this plot.bar option, it will applicable for all the bars, okay, by default. So see, earlier it was blue, now it has been changed to green. Suppose if you want to give an individual color for the individual parts, you can create a color array, okay, like my colors is equals to first one as a red, green, blue, and yellow and black. Okay, for black we have to use K because blue is B and black is K. Okay, black color. Here color is equals to my colors. And change it. Now you could be able to see the different colors for the different parts. See, for Python we have mentioned red, and for C we have mentioned green, and for C++ we have mentioned blue, for Java we have mentioned yellow, and for SQL we have mentioned black. Okay, you can change these different individual colors as well. Okay, now once we have done that, we can change this width as well, width to 0.5. if I change to 0.5, the width of the bar will be reduced now. Okay, could be able to see the bars in less size, less width. Okay, this is the width. If I give by default by 1, you'll be able to see that all the bars are almost attached right here, right? But if I change it to 0.5, you could be able to see there is a spaces in the bars. That's what the width. Okay, now can give edge color as well, edge color as hot pink. Okay, if you give that edge color, the border of this particular bars has been changed to, from by default it will be black, now it has been changed to hot pink. Okay, can increase that edge width is equals to edge, not edge width, I guess line width will work. Line width is equals to 2. If I change to 2, yeah, if you see here you could be able to see, let me change it to 4. Okay, and let me close it and re-execute it. Now you guys could be able to see the hot pink color. Okay, the border line. See, this is what you can do. And next one is align is equals to edge. We can give an option. Okay, so what it does is, if you see here, the Python is coming in the edge, C is coming in the edge, C++ is coming in the edge, Java is coming in the starting side. Okay, if you want it in the center, you have to give it as a center. Okay, center F5. See, now you could see this values in the center now. Okay, that's what the option with the align. Okay, and these are the options with the bar charts. And you can change this bar to bar h. Okay, plot dot bar of x comma y with colors as color is equals to my colors. Okay, and instead of bar, if I change it to bar h, the position of the bar has been changed from horizontal to vertical. See, now you could see the difference, right? Bar h, everything is coming in the horizontal. Earlier it was vertical, now it has been changed to the vertical. SQL, Java, C++, C, Python, all that stuff. Okay, and here also I'm just closing this one and I'm taking this one only now. And yeah, here also you can give the labels and titles. Okay, plot dot title as bar charts in Matplotlib. Okay, with the font size of 20. Okay, and plot dot x label as programming languages. Okay, same font size is equals to 20 here as well. And plot dot y label as popularity. and same here, font size is equals to 20. Y label spelling, it's a typo. See, now you guys could be able to see the title bar charts in Matplotlib. Popularity, programming languages, Python, C, C++, Java, and SQL. Let me change this to 1 and let me to black. Okay, think it would look better. Colors, yeah, now it's better. Block border. Java, SQL, C++, C, Python language, programming languages, bar charts. So this is how you can draw the bar charts in the Python library. Okay, and you can take the data set and you can pass the colors and you can change the width of the bars and you can give the edge, the color of the borders of the bars, and you can give the width of that particular border as well and alignment as well for the text. Okay, and you can change it to the horizontal bars as well, and you can give title, X label and Y label and show as well. Okay, this is how you can draw the bar charts in the Matplotlib Python library. Now let's draw some scatter charts. Okay, X is equals to random dot rand int of 100 to 200 with the 100 data points. Okay, what it does is it will give you the data set of ranging from 100 to 200 with the 100 points, 100 data set. Let me show you that. Print of X. Okay, I'm executing it. See, now you could be able to see the 100 data points. Okay, ranging from 100 to 200. Okay, this is the data set we have. Okay, now let's draw plot dot scatter. We have X. Let's do for the same for the Y. np dot random dot rand int of 100 comma 200. We need the 100 data points. Okay, now we want the draw the charts X comma Y, the plot dot show. Okay, let's have instead of bar for the bar, plot for the line charts and scatter for the scatter charts. Okay, if I execute it, be able to see a scatter chart. Random type. See, now you could see this scatter charts. Okay, the values x-axis and y-axis and the combination of x and y will be like scattered in a data points. Okay, and you can change this color as well, color to red. See, it has been changed to red. Okay, you can change the marker to star as well, marker to asterisk. Okay, see, it has been changed to asterisk. Earlier it was a dot, now it has been changed to asterisk. I think you can give squares, I guess. Marker is equals to S. Let's try that. Yeah, could see the square, hexagon, pentagon, similar to that. Let me go with the asterisk. Okay, that would look good. Yeah, see. Now we are good. And we can increase the size as well. Size is equals to give 200. Okay. See here, the size of this scatter plot has been, data points has been increased now. Okay, instead of giving these colors manually, what we can do that can do z is equals to colors is equals to np dot random dot random int of 0 to 10 normal of 0 to 100. We need the 100 data points. Okay, change it to colors. Okay, let me try now. See here, the colors are coming in different colors. Okay, I can change it to 1000, you'll be able to see different colors. Yeah, you'll be able to see same colors. And here we have the option to change the uh, color map to let's try for rainbow. Okay, we'll show is the rainbow colors will be ranging the values from 0 to 100. Okay, the values will be ranging from 0 to 100, the rainbow colors. Be able to see the rainbow colors here. Yeah, see here the rainbow colors. And you can show that color map as well by with the plot dot color bar. Okay, let me execute it. You'll be able to see that color bar as well. See color map rainbow, and you can change it to different ones. One is where this change to where this as well. See here where this color map, you can change it to twilight as well. See here different colors. Think where this look better, I guess this looks better. Okay, so minus 200 to 200. I think you guys can give the values over here. Minus 200 to 200, right? Okay, can give the values. Yeah, now we could see the different variations of the colors. And sizes also we can make it as a random. Size is equals to np dot random dot integer from 0 to 1000. We need 100 data points, right? Okay, this is equals to size. Let's change it. Okay, so now you could see it in a different colors. Came scattering points in a different colors. Okay, and so this color maps, I think you can have multiple color maps as you guys have been seeing in the screen. So you can have all these different types of color maps as well. Okay, you guys give it a try. Okay, but I like this varieties really very much, because it will be having some green to yellowish colors, right? So this is good. The sizes also, if I change to random, I think it looks good now. I think it is looks really beautiful, this scatter plot now, right? See here it is showing in a different sizes. It looks really good. Okay, and we can have this title and x-axis, y-axis and all that stuff. Okay, scatter plot in Matplotlib. Let's change font size to 100. Oh, sorry, 20. Font size spelling. Yeah, scatter plot in Matplot. Okay, fine. Okay, so how we are going to do the scatter plots? Just passing the data points, and we can have the colors as a random points, and sizes also random from 0 to 1000, and we can mention this color maps. Okay, and we can display this color bar as well, plot dot color bar, and we can give the title which is usual to the remaining plots. And now you could be able to see the scatter plots. Okay, scatter plot. Cool. Now let's draw some histograms. Okay, for that one we need the data, right? Xp is equals to np dot random dot normal of 100, 10 as a standard mean, like 100 data points. Okay, plot dot histogram of hist x, we can mention x, and plot dot show. Okay, let's see now. We're able to draw the histogram chart. See here, histogram chart ranging from 80 to 120. Okay, you can change the color as well. First, color is equals to, let's change it to black. Okay, yeah, see, color has been changed. And we can have this line width Okay, 1. Okay, you'll not be able to see with the red. Let's go with the red. You'll be able to see some line width. Let's have this edge color. Edge color is equals to black now. Okay, now you'll be able to see this line in this histogram, right? Let me change this width to just 1. Okay, it will look better now. Yeah, width of the line is 1. It is ranging from 80 to 120. Okay, histograms. And edge color is equals to k, and we can have this orientation as equals to, we can have the horizontal. Let's give it a try. This histogram has been changed to horizontal. Earlier it was vertical, now it has been changed to the vertical. By default it will be vertical. Okay, see, it has been changed. And you can have the cumulative as well. True. See, if you see here, the entire graph has been changed to here, right hand side, the upper line, lower values in the left side and upper values in the right side. Okay, you can have it as false as well. See here, left side and right side graph has been changed, cumulative. I think these are the options that we can do with the histogram. So one is the data points, and next one is the color of the histogram and the line width and color of that particular line, and we can have the vertical and horizontal orientations, and then the cumulative as well values. And you can have the plot title. Okay, plot dot title, histograms in Matplotlib. So this is a histogram chart. Okay, now we are done with the histograms. Now let's draw some box charts. Okay, x is equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, and plot dot box plot of x and plot dot show. Okay, we have to change this plot dot box plot for the box plots. Okay, see, now you could see this box plot. Okay, and now, so how exactly it will happen is, so the starting point will be 10. Okay, how this box plots will be drawn is, the basic value, first value is 10 here, right? So 10 here as a starting value, and maximum value is 70. Okay, these are the outliers, 10 and 70. In between, this is a quarter 2. Okay, quarter 2 value for the 10 and 70 in between is 25. Okay, and quarter 3 is 55. So there is a plot will drawn will between the q2 to q3. Okay, q1, q2, q3, q4, right? So there is a box will be drawn between q2 to q3, and the average of all these numbers, there is a median line will be drawn, right? This orange color line. So that line will be drawn in the middle. Okay, that's how this box plots has been drawn. Okay, now let's have notch is equals to true. You'll be able to see a notch in the box. See here, like this curves has been notched. Okay, and by default it will be false. You can change it to false. Okay, now what else we can have? Okay, patch artist is equals to true. Okay, now you'll be filling the color inside that box. See, patch artist is equals to true in the sense the box will be filled with a color. Okay, and you can have this box properties. Box props is equals to face color as black. Let's try black. yeah, black. See, the color of this particular box has been changed to black color. Okay, we have this median, right? So we can change that median as well. Colors, um, median props. Color of it will be, let's have white. Okay, and width of it will be, let's change it to 2. Okay, it will be in a dictionary format. Okay, I have to provide the values similar to that. Width 2. Okay, now let me execute it. Now I'll be able to see the white color median. Okay, there is no width. Edge. Sorry, line width. It should be line width. Now you could be able to see this median line in the white color. Okay, or you can change it to red color. Will it be shown? I guess. Now you guys could see a red color median line with a width of 2. See here. Okay, so this is a box properties and this is a median properties. These are will be called as a whiskers. We can change those whisker properties as well. Okay, and whisker props, color as green. Let's have the green color. See, the whiskers has been, the color has been changed. Let's have the same line width. See, could be able to see this width of this particular whiskers has been changed to green color now. So this is how you can change these properties for this box plots. Okay, box properties, median properties and whisker properties, and x is equals to notch false. Okay, for the curves, and paths artist is equals to true, and you can have this what is equals to. Okay, oh, comma was missing, sorry, my bad. Now I could be able to see this. Okay, if I change it to 0, we'll be able to see a vertical one, I guess. Yeah, see, it has been changed to vertical. Vertical is equal, sorry, it will be changed to horizontal. Okay, and if I what has been changed to 1, it will be vertical now. Okay, see here, and you can draw multiple box plots as well similar to it. Let's have y is equals to 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay, and you can have one more x comma y similar to this. Okay, now you could see the two box plots. So the other one is the bigger one because it is having a bigger values. Okay, and same values we can apply, or you can change it to I think same values will apply by default for the both the box plots. Okay, and we can have the title similar to other ones. Plot dot title of box plots in Matplotlib. Just changing it, running it now. Now you could be able to see the box plots. Yeah, you can have the font size by default, changing it to 20 to look better. Now the other one is box plots in Matplotlib. Okay, now we are done with the box plots as well. Now the final charts are pie charts. Okay, let's draw pie charts. X is equals to apple, banana and orange and kiwi Okay, and we can have another fruit, watermelon. Okay, now we can have this y values as well. Okay, apple has 20, banana has 10, and orange has 15. Okay, and another one has 25. Okay, and watermelon has 30. Okay, oh, we have to remove the single quotes. Okay, these are the numeric values, right? Just remove these numerical values. So we are done with the data preparation of the for the plot pie chart. Okay, plot dot pie, we have to use pie of values as y and labels as x. Okay, and plot dot show. Okay, now you could be able to see a pie chart. See, pie chart with the fruit names: apple, watermelon, kiwi, orange, banana. Okay, and if you want to have the colors, my colors as apple, I want it as a red, banana as yellow, and orange as woe. Okay, and kiwi as green, and kiwi as a gray. Okay, I'll mention gray, and watermelon as green. Okay, now here I'm just changing this colors is equals to my colors. Okay, now I could be able to see in my colors. Oh, okay, orange, that should work. Yeah, now you could see this apple in red, banana in yellow, orange, kiwi, and watermelon. Okay, we have different colors. And the next one is we can have the percentage as well. Auto percentage equals to percentage 0.1 percentage. Okay, now let's draw the chart. Yeah, if you see here, the chart has been drawn down with the percentages. If you see here, 0.1 in the sense there will be only one decimal point. If I change it to 0.2, okay, if I click on F5, and you can be able to see the 2 points after the decimal in the percentages, right? I think one should be fine for us. Okay, F5. Oh, no, yeah, it's done now. And what else we can have? This percentage distances also we can have it. Okay, like 1 by default. How far it is to that? Okay, 0.2. It is near. Okay, let's have it as 5 in the middle. Okay, now actually this as we can give the distances for this one as well, and we can have the label distances as well. Okay, let me change it to 2, and it will be too far, I guess, little bit far. Yeah, little bit far, the values, the labels are a little bit far. Let's have it as just only 1 for the label distance as well. Yeah, it should be fine. 1.3 should look good, I guess. 1.3. Yeah, now it was somewhat far. I think 1.2 looks good, I guess. Yeah, this label distance 1.2% is good. Okay, we have it. Now we can have the explode option as well. Okay, explode is equals to my explode is equals to, we can have these points 0.1 0 0 0 0. Okay, and explode is equals to my explode. Okay, just drawing this pie chart, it will be taken a part of it out. See, apple has been taken one part of it out. We can have it for the other one as well, like for the watermelon as well. Okay, just to show you guys, see here, apple and watermelon just a little bit far. Explode, I think it looks better if it is only one of it is far. exploded, like it is like exploded. Okay, 0.2%. And now we can have the shadow as well. Shadow is equals to true. Okay, draw this pie chart. Yeah, if you see here, there is a shadow. It looks really good when it is exploded. The shadow looks really good. Okay, and this is how we can draw the pie charts. And we can have the same plot pie chart. Okay, to make it look more interesting, what I'm going to do is same way, labels is equals to x, and radius I can have it. Radius is equals to 1. Before coming here, I'll just explain you guys what is mean by radius. If I change the radius to 2, okay, the width of this square shape has been increases. Okay, 2 is too far. I think 1 looks better. The size of this pie chart. Okay, and here I'm going to do 0.6. okay, and I'm going to draw another chart here. Colors is equals to, let me have it same way. Okay, here we have drawn another pie chart on top of another pie chart. Okay, and here what I'm doing is here we are not going to take the labels. Okay, and here we can have the color as white color. Okay, colors, I guess it should work. See, and I'm changing this, exploding to 0. Okay, and I'm just drawing a beautiful graph. Okay, and if I remove this auto percent also, it looks really cool. I just treat it as an outlier. Okay, banana, apple, watermelon, or you can have this auto percent and change this percentage distance to 8 or something. Okay, it looks good now. Yeah, see, it looks really good. Banana, apple, watermelon, kiwi, orange, pie chart with the middle part as a black. Okay, and finally I can have a title, plot dot title as pie charts in Matplotlib. So now this is how you guys can draw the pie charts in the Matplotlib Python library. Okay. Now let's draw the subplots. Okay, x is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and y is equals to 6, 8, 9, 7, and 10. Okay, and a is equals to 10, 20, 30, 50, and 50. Okay, and b is equals to 11, 18, 16, and 20, 22. Okay, now we have to draw the subplots. Plot dot subplot. The first arrow, the first argument will be the number of rows. So we are drawing the 4 charts, right? So I'm going to take the 2 rows, 2 columns. Okay, okay. For each and every row, there will be 2 drops. Okay, and it will be an index. Okay, plot dot subplot and plot dot plot of x and plot dot title as chart 1. Okay, and I'm just copy pasting this 4 times. Okay, here I'm just changing 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and here it is y, and here I'm going to change it to a, and here I'm changing it to b. Okay, and chart 1, chart 2, and chart 3, and chart 4. Okay, you can draw the chart. Now you could see the 4 charts in a single graph. Okay, in a single figure. Plot dot show. This is what we see. Okay, see now chart 1, chart 2, chart 3, chart 4. Okay, this is how you guys can do. Okay, suppose if you want to have the only one chart per one row, and what you guys can do is total 4 and 1. Okay, 4 1 4 rows, 1 column, and 1 each and every time. Okay, see now chart 1, chart 2, chart 3, chart 4. Okay, similar to that, let me change back to 2 2 2. Okay, 2 rows, 2 columns. It looks really good actually. See, now we could see the 4 charts: chart 1, chart 2, chart 3, and chart 4. Okay, fine, cool. And we are done with the subplots as well. So we have drawn this line chart, right? Now let's save this chart. Okay, plot dot fig save of chart dot png. Okay, fig save. Let's save fig. Okay, if you run it out, now it has been shown. See, you could see that there is a new file has created, which is chart.png. Okay, it has created a chart.png. Okay, it has gone too much. Yeah, this is the line chart. Okay, and we can have the transparent is equals to true, and face color as blue. Okay, save it, and see, if you see here, it has been changed to the transparent, and the background color has been changed to be blue color. Okay, and color is equals to blue red. Okay, here we have to change color is equals to red actually, not here. Okay, just closing this one, and oh, okay, now could see this color, red color, transparent. Okay, and we can change this dpa value as well. Here dpa value has changed to 2000. Okay, dpa is nothing but the dots per inch. Okay, okay, it will be a float value. Just change it to 2000. Okay, dpa is nothing but the dots per inch. Okay, how well that particular graph has to show, the clarity of the graph. Okay, it will be shown in a beautiful way. Okay, if you see here, earlier chart, I think it was having not this much clarity. This will be having more clarity. That's what this dpa does. Okay, dots per inch. And here you can change the format to chart.png and chart.jpg as well. Okay, could be able to see the jpg file as well here. See here, jpg as well. Okay, or you can convert it to pdf as well. pdf, and you can open that. The pdf file will be created. Close this. Yeah, chart.pdf. So this is how you guys can save the charts, whatever the charts that you guys are drawing in the Matplotlib, you guys can save these charts as well. Okay, this is what the save fig does. Okay. Okay, now we can have the text as well in the chart. Okay, plot.text. We have to give the x and y positions. Okay, x position is 3 and y position is 25, and we can mention it as text on chart. Okay, if you see here, there is a text on chart. Okay, 3 we have given, right? I think 2 should work. 2 and 30. Instead of text on chart, let's change it to line chart, and I'll remove this title. Okay, it looks better now. Line chart 230. See, line chart, and you can have these properties as well. Font size is equals to 20. It will be a float. Okay. Yeah, line chart, and we can have the color as well. Color is equals to hot pink, and I would like to change it to color. Okay, it looks better, I guess. Black versus hot pink. Yeah, line chart, or else do one thing. Let me interchange the colors, hot pink to and okay. Yeah, okay. Now let's change the B box. B box. We can have a box on this particular text. See, line chart with a box, and you can have this color of this B box to orange as well. Okay, see, chart. So this is how you guys can have the text on the charts as well. Okay, now let's draw some 3D charts. Okay, z is equals to np dot len space of 0 to 1, let's say 100 data points, and y is equals to z dot sin of np dot sin of z into 25. Okay, x is equals to sin z into np dot cosine of z into 25. Okay, and x is equals to plot dot axis of projection is equals to 3D. Okay, we want 3D projection, right? And x dot scatter of x, y, z, and in green color. Okay, and plot dot show. See, now we have drawn a 3D chart. You can change this 3D chart over here. Okay, like a 3-dimensional chart. Okay, we can have x, y, z. Okay, instead of plot, scatter, we can have the plot as well. Okay, it would be like a line chart. See here, line, 3D lines. We can draw the charts in a 3D line formats. Okay. Okay, that's it, the tutorial for the Matplotlib Python library. So in this tutorial we have seen the how to draw the line charts, bar charts, pie charts, and box plots, histograms, and scatter plots. And here we have learned how we can write the text on the charts as well. And finally we have drawn some 3D charts as well. And we have learned how to save the charts, that whatever we are drawing, right? So how to save those charts in a PDF format and .png and .jpg formats as well. If you like the content in this video, please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you all. Thanks for watching this video.